Your judge is Mr. Domir Cornelia.
Good evening. Your question is, why did you join Ginoo ning Kapampangan? In Tagalog, bakit ka sumali sa Ginoo ning Kapampangan?
I joined Ginoo ni Kapampangan because Ginoo ni Kapampangan is a man of compassion, integrity, and purpose. A Ginoo is having the 3 H. The head, the heart, and the hand. I joined because I have the head. I may not be the smartest among the group, but I think wisely and critically. And I have the heart to serve in my community. I love my fellow Boraqueños, especially the indigenous people. And lastly, the hand. I have the hand. I am beyond my words, beyond my thoughts. I work.
Thank you so much.